We're now on step 10 of our home addition project, the electrical rough-in. This is where we plan and install the wiring for outlets, switches, and lighting before the walls are closed up. Step 10, electrical rough-in. Once plumbing is roughed in, electrical rough-in begins. Tip, plan outlet, switch, and lighting locations carefully, and make sure wiring doesn't interfere with plumbing or HVAC. Common mistake, running wires without checking for pipe or duct placement, which can lead to costly adjustments later. If you're a homeowner looking for a reliable, stress-free contractor who delivers real quality and value, we're here to help. At DC Home Addition and Home Remodeling, we specialize in home additions, full house remodels, kitchen and bathroom renovations, and design-build projects of any size. No matter how big or small your project is, our goal is to make the entire process simple, organized, and stress-free from start to finish. You can call us at 703-980-3266 or simply book your free virtual consultation using the link below in the description to choose a time that works best for you. There's absolutely no cost. We'll talk about your project, answer your questions, and help you plan the next steps with confidence. Here are 10 reasons homeowners choose DC Home Addition and Home Remodeling. Free design consultation. We help you create a functional, well-planned layout that makes the most of every square inch of your home. Guided by our professional designer. Transparent estimates. You'll receive a detailed, itemized scope of work with no hidden fees. Licensed and insured team. Fully certified to work in DC, Maryland, and Virginia. Permit and inspection support. We handle all the paperwork and code compliance for you. Dedicated project manager. One point of contact for smooth communication throughout your project. 3D design and visualization. See your project in detail before we build. High-quality craftsmanship. Built to last using trusted materials and skilled professionals. On time, on budget completion. We value your time and budget with professional scheduling and updates. Clean and organized job sites. We treat your home as our own house. Clean, safe, and well cared for. Customer satisfaction guarantee. We're not done until you're completely happy with the results. At DC Home Addition and Home Remodeling, we take pride in every detail because we treat your home as our own house. So if you want a remodeling experience that's professional, organized, and completely stress-free, call us today at 703-980-3266 or book your free virtual consultation using the link below in the description. We look forward to helping you make your home more beautiful, functional, and valuable. And that completes step 10, electrical rough-in. Once HVAC, plumbing, and electrical rough-ins are complete, it's time for insulation. Before installing, it's important to schedule the rough-in inspection with your local building office to ensure everything meets code. Tip, double-check that all ducts, pipes, and wiring are properly secured and sealed before insulation goes in. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you won't miss step 11 in our Home Addition series.